Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Today I'm here with a project share that I did a prompt game on my channel on March 17th, 2022. And the prompts were tag or wall card, charms or cameo, people or angel, sew something or glue something, yarn or fiber, something wooden or die cut, watercolor or marker. And here's how my page came out. I made a little tuck spot for the flower that I cut out of a printable. Here's Tim Holtz person. Here's a dragon for my charm. Eyelash trim for my fiber. My marker, I outlined everything. And that's all of the I glued everything, so I'm good. So that's that one. And I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be safe, be blessed, be positive, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye.